tech enthusiast, are you struggling with your Wi-Fi not showing up in your Windows 10 settings? Can't connect to the internet because your Wi-Fi seems to have vanished into thin air? Worry not. Today we're going to tackle this issue head on and get you back online in no time. So let's dive into the world of connectivity solutions together. Before we proceed with the fixes, ensure that your Wi-Fi is enabled and not in airplane mode. Sometimes the simplest solutions are right in front of us. Fix 1. Restart your computer and router. Our first fix is the classic turn it off and on again. Restarting your computer and router can resolve temporary connectivity issues. It's simple but surprisingly effective. Fix 2. Run the network troubleshooter. Next up, let's use Windows built-in network troubleshooter. It's a handy tool that can automatically find and fix common connection problems. Open Settings, then type in Troubleshooter at the search bar. Tap on Troubleshoot Settings. Now tap on Other Troubleshooters. Then run the troubleshooter of internet connection. Fix 3. Update your network adapt driver. Right click the Start button, then select Device Manager. Expand the network adapter section, then right click the wireless adapter and select Update driver. Search automatically for updated driver settings. If Windows find a new driver, it will install it automatically. Sometimes you might need to visit your laptop manufacturer's website for the latest drivers. Fix number 4. Enable Wi-Fi adapter. If your Wi-Fi adapter is disabled, it won't show up in settings. Let's make sure it's enabled. Back in Device Manager, right-click the wireless adapter and select Enable Device if it's disabled. And there you have it, folks, some fixes to get your Wi-Fi showing up in Windows 10 settings. Again, remember, technology can be tricky, but there's almost always a solution to the problem.